Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the review of Finelo. Finelo.com positions itself as an online educational platform aimed at simplifying finance and investment concepts for beginners. It offers lessons on topics like forex trading, stock market basics, and personal finance, utilizing quizzes and a trading simulator to enhance learning. However, user experiences and expert reviews suggest significant concerns regarding its legitimacy and value. Structured lessons designed for individuals new to investing, tools to reinforce learning and assess understanding, and a feature allowing users to practice trading without financial risk. The strength of Finelo is that it is accessible for beginners. The platform's simple interface, clear language make it approachable for those new to finance. And Finelo is risk-free practice. The simulator offers a safe environment to practice trading strategies. While the weakness of Finelo is that users report that ads suggest the platform offers job finding services, which is not the case. Many users have been charged unexpectedly, with some reporting unauthorized charges after signing up. Despite claim of a 30-day money-back guarantee, users often find it challenging to obtain refunds. The platform offers basic content without advanced investment strategies, which may not satisfy users seeking comprehensive education. Users report unresponsive and unhelpful customer service, particularly regarding billing issues. While Finelo.com may appear appealing to beginners seeking to learn about finance, the platform's misleading marketing, hidden fees, and inadequate customer support raise significant concerns. Potential users should exercise caution and consider alternative, more transparent educational resources. So basically, this is the review of Finelo.com. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.